after visiting Philae Temple in Egypt, which Philae Temple is Isis's temple, that night she came to me and talked about the importance of us women needing to heal ourselves and awaken the true sacred feminine energy within us to bring back the balance, because the scales have been tipped so far into the masculine energy that we've lost the balance, which then just makes all of the feminine masculine toxic because it's out of balance. And so we need to heal ourselves and bring forth the sacred feminine. And so I don't know who thumbs it up that, but yes. But also what's been so interesting to me with that message as well is that like now that I've, fully tapped into, okay, I accept like this is part of my mission, is that I'm here to help bring back that sacred feminine energy. Like I'm reading all these other women that are getting the same message from other places.